Yo, what's up, guys? Can you guys all hear me? Hello, testing. I'm trying to get my chat on my OBS. Can you guys hear me? Testing. Type 1 if you can hear me. Okay, perfect. This is our last night. Dude, how about Brownie James last night? Dude, I gotta somehow pull up my chat here. One second. How do I pull my chat? Hi bro, does IPG work in the Indian market? Yeah, it does. It does for sure. Mm-mm-mm. Give me one second, guys. I'm gonna go over like the passing method in a second, and then I'm gonna go over how to answer questions and everything. Give me one second, guys. Sorry. Dude, how do I see my chat, bro? Sorry, give me one second, guys. I'm trying to figure out my how do I get my chat out. I think TopStep does let you run it on Express accounts, but I'm not sure. Yeah, they definitely do. By the way, I'm going to do a few giveaways for some Lucid and Apex accounts today, so stay tuned. Does Lucid have news rules that I'm aware of? No, I'm pretty sure you can do it on Lucid. Dude, Lucid's such a good firm, bro. Like, I met Lucid CEO AJ and the other guy at the Big Daddy Maximat. Dude, probably my favorite CEOs. Like, they're on the come up for sure. You have only $100 left in the prop firm. Should I do the method? Yeah, I would probably do it if you have $100 left. Tradeify, 10-second trade holding time. Yeah, Tradeify, you need to hold the trade for more than 10 seconds, which shouldn't be an issue. So, but it's late, and I'm trying not to sleep. Yeah, dude, I cannot see my chat here. CPI is safer than NFP? No, they're both good. They're both good for sure. Yo, make sure you guys leave a like on the video. Or on the live stream. Yeah, Lucid return your losses as Tradeify was not closing position. Yeah, Lucid is goated, bro. Like, dude, like I'm obviously an affiliate for Lucid, and like I just started affiliating for Lucid, but even if I wasn't, I'd still like promote them because like they're just cool ass guys. I don't know. I love Lucid. Well, I don't. I mean, I love Lucid, but I love the CEOs. I don't know. I love what they're doing. The reason I like them so much is because they kind of get like my humor. Like I do the same humor they do. I don't know if you guys saw that post they did the other day of the gold and the gold post on Twitter. It was so funny. Let's see if I can pull it up. What they post? Oh yeah, they posted this.
I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving! The show goes on!
So yeah, pretty funny. And obviously every other firm was like banning the metals. So and I know. Is Lucid Flex or Lucid Black better for beginners? Probably Lucid Flex. The Black is like a premium deal that's like, I don't know, Lucid Flex definitely better. Lucid versus Tradeify, what's better? I don't know, man. Tradeify instant funding accounts are the best, obviously. But in terms of like what's better overall, probably I don't know, dude. MFFU Flex or Lucid Flex? Lucid Flex for sure. I'm gonna do a giveaway. Just be patient. Stream is a 20-second delay. Yeah, I know. Let me try and make it go down. Uh, Discord stream. Yeah, I'm gonna do a Discord stream at like probably 9. This dude, stop spamming. If anyone spams, I will time you out. How often do I live stream? I live stream every single day in my Discord, but for free, I like an over live stream. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the method right now. Just be patient. Be patient. Dude, what the hell is going on?
Oh my god!
What the hell? Mm. One second, guys. All right. So, who wants to see the method? Yeah, NFP moves like CPI. So, I'm only going to go over this once. I'm going to go over it at 8:15 a.m. how to do this, all right? Am I streaming live here on YouTube every day? No, bro. All right, so we're gonna go through the method, guys. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to have 3 accounts ready, okay? Preferably Apex. I mean, I guess Lucid works too. I guess Lucid works too, but you know, I don't think you can't do it on, like, there are firms you can't do it on, but I know Lucid works. I know Apex works. So yeah. So you're gonna want to have 3 accounts, and I suggest having 3 different tabs open on Tradeify. Are we following so far? 3 different tabs open on Tradeify? Yes? No? Maybe? Have I taken any trades today? Bro, what kind of question is that? We literally have an FP at 8:30. So, yeah, Lucid, you can't full port. So I would have 3 tabs open on 3 different accounts, okay? Like on Tradeify, 3 Tradeify tabs open, all right? Now, when you had these open, all right, on one account, okay, on Apex, I'm only going to do this for Apex. On a $50,000 account, okay, $50,000 account, we need, okay, $3,000 to pass. FundedNext, I think you can do these on the FundedNext Rapid accounts, yes. Yeah, you can copy trade if you want. So we're gonna do a FundedNext Rapid account, all right? Or sorry, Apex account. We need $3,000 to pass. So you have to figure out like how many max contracts you can use and what you need to pass. Okay, that's basically what we have to figure out. So we need $3,000 pass. The contracts you can go on Apex is 10 minis. All right, so I could go 10 minis on Apex. All right, now if you can go 10 minis in Apex, right, what does that mean? Well, if you need $3,000 to pass, 10 minis times 1 point times 20 equals $200 per point. Are you following so far? So we need a $200 per point move. All right. So we basically need whatever it is to pass. So 3,000 divided by 200 equals about 15 points to pass with 10 minis. Now, if you can't do 10 minis and you can only do less, then you have to do the math on that. Okay. Type 1 if we're following so far. Okay. Now, there's going to be 2 methods we're going to try here. There's going to be 2 methods we're going to try here. We're going to do the buy stop method and then the just buy long and short method, all right? On Apex, okay, you can do this, the long and short. On any other firm, I don't think you can do this. I think it might work for the Alpha Zero accounts. On any other firm, you cannot do this, all right? So what we're going to do is we're we're gonna on one account. All right, listen. Yeah, you just have to do the math. All right. Yeah, you can do it on Top Step, but Top Step do not hedge. On Top Step, you have to do the buy stop, sell stop method. Unfortunately. 2 times 20 is $4. So on one account, all right, we're gonna have a buy and sell here, okay? So I'm not repeating this again, by the way. So we're gonna go to like the 2-minute time frame, and on one account, I'm gonna do the 10 contracts. So I'm gonna do 10 contracts, like order here, buy stop. I'm gonna do a sell stop here, okay? And then I'm gonna have to change it, all right? Eventually, yeah, I think you guys can do Lucid too. I'm gonna have to change it eventually, obviously, because we're gonna move probably in the next 9 minutes. All right. And then I'm gonna do TP at 10 points. Wait, 8-3. So we're gonna do TP at like, we only need $3,000. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna do like 3,500 just to be safe. But so basically I'm gonna do like 20 points just to be safe. So I'm gonna have that, and I'm gonna have to change this. And on the other accounts, okay, on the other tabs you're gonna have open, I'm gonna go to this tab. I'm gonna place a sell limit of 10 contracts here, and then on the other one I'm gonna place a buy here. All right. Are we fine so far? And I'm gonna eventually have to move these. All right. Yeah, don't only do this for Apex. Okay, the hedging only works for Apex. Do not do this in another other firm. All right. Yeah, this is only for eval, bro. If you do this in any other firm, you're cooked. All right. So we're just gonna do that, and then literally 15 seconds before the news comes out, I'm gonna sell in this account, and then I'm gonna quickly go to this one and buy. All right, and then on this account, I'm just gonna keep managing the sell stops and buy stops. Like I'm gonna do them down here probably. We literally just need like 15 points. I'm just gonna keep it here for now. Hedging equals, yeah, dude. The thing with Apex is it works, but like any other firm, I want to do it. Don't do it with any other firms. But that's what we're doing. Yes, this is okay. Listen, I'm gonna give you guys a little lecture real quick. This is 100% gambling, guys. If like this is only what you do if you can already kind of get payouts or you already have a good strategy and you just want to go right to funded. So I wonder if that makes sense. Like if you're not a good trader and you suck at trading and you never don't trade or you just don't even have a strategy, then don't do this. All right. For Lucid, yeah, for Lucid I do the sell stop / buy stop methods. So about 5 minutes left. We're at 250 right now. So do you really think I need a limit 50 points higher? No, I can keep a limit down here. I just need literally 20 points, bro. And then this one, I just need 10. I just need 20 points. So I'll just keep this here for now. But yeah, you'll have to be like watching these. Buys for today. I am bullish today. I'm bullish, but we'll see. This is a gamble only if you have like only if you guys have like a good, like you're already a good trader. Obviously. Who's my hairdresser? You need to talk to him. Dude, I just woke up. I've not showered. I have bedhead right now, bro. Is it possible in MNQ? It's possible in MNQ, but like, bro, it's not gonna make you enough. Like, you're not gonna make that much. But yeah, you can do it. Can you please do a higher time frame analysis before I leave after the NFT release? I'm still gonna be live all day for free, probably. Does this work on Lucid? Yeah, it should work on Lucid, guys. Dude, I literally have bedhead, bro. Like, I just woke up and I didn't shower or anything, so. All right, we have 3 minutes. You bought a FundedNext Bolt account using your promo code Dodgy. This will be my first trade. What will be your first trade? Why am I bullish? I'll explain after the news release. Why is my buy limit below? Because I have 3 accounts open. I have one with a sell limit up here, one with a buy limit, and then one with a sell or buy stop method. So why not use buy and sell limit on all of them? I mean, because you need to get filled at the market buy stop. Yo, if you haven't already on YouTube, make sure to leave a like on the video if you want more of these streams. Yeah, I'm just trading a paper account to show you guys. I already have 30 funded accounts, bro. I don't need to do this. This is what I used to do back in the day. So as of right now, I don't really need to change my buy limits or sell limits here because we're not really moving. So I should be good here. Rank my 3 top futures prop firms. Please don't name them because I'm affiliated. Well, I'm not affiliated with TopStep, and I used to have TopStep in my top 3, but not anymore. I think my top 3 right now are Apex, Lucid, and then... Dude, I don't even know. Apex is a 20 counts. Like, 20 counts, like, you can't beat that. Then Lucid for sure. Because Lucid's similar to TopStep. It's whatever's most similar to TopStep, because TopStep's falling apart. And then I don't even know the third, bro. I mean... I don't know. Probably Tradeify, just because of instant funding, but I don't know. I heard Funded Futures Family is good or whatever. I'm not affiliated with them though, but I heard they're good. All right, we have about 30 seconds till this plays out, guys. So literally, I'm gonna do buy, stop, sell on this account like 15 seconds before, right? Yeah, I'd mainly trade a live account. All right, so we're gonna buy in this one and then sell in this one.
Order filled. Order filled.
And bang. So it should have passed 2 accounts, guys. Let's go, baby. Let's go. So it should have passed 2 accounts, all right? This account it passed, and then this account it passed. Let's go, baby. It worked for my TopStep accounts. So, yeah, that was a really good candle. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Easy pass method, boys. So, I'll show you guys my TopStep accounts I did this on. So you can see TopStep, I did the buy stop method, okay? And you can see got filled 2 here, sold 2 there. I made about 1,500 per account. So I should get free funded accounts after this. So yeah. Let's go. All right, if you're in chat, type 1 if you guys pass an account. with what I just said to do. Easiest NFP candle we've ever gotten. Type 1 if you guys pass an account. Every single method would have worked. The buy stop method, and then just the normal method I do, the hedging method in Apex. Let's go, baby. Yeah, how many people are on stream right now? Let's see. Count. We have every single method would have worked. The buy stop. We have 1,500 people in here. The normal method I do, the hedging easiest candle ever. Let's go, baby.
Chat, type 1 if you guys.
Yeah, how many people are on stream right now? Let's see. Count. We have every single method would have worked. The buy stop. We have 1,500 people in here. The normal method I do, the hedging easiest candle ever. Let's go, baby.
Chat, type 1 if you guys.
Let's go, baby. Yeah, how many people are on stream right now? Let's see. We have how many people are here? We have 15. We have every single method would have worked. The buy stop. We have 1,500 people in here. The normal method I do, the hedging easiest candle ever. Let's go, baby. All right, so let's go, baby. We just passed an account. Okay. We have how many people are here? We have 15. We have every single method would have worked. The buy stop. We have 1,500 people in here. The normal method I do, the hedging easiest candle ever. Let's go, baby. All right, so let's go, baby. Now I am bullish for today. We just passed an account. Okay. To me, I think that we have buy side up here. Okay, the reason why is because every single method would have worked. Bullish candle here. We have 1,500 people in here. The normal method I do, the easiest candle ever. And two, let's go, baby. All right, so let's go, baby. All right. Now I am bullish for today. We just passed an account. Okay. To me, I think that we have buy side up here. Okay, the reason why is because every single method would have worked. Bullish candle here. We have 1,500 people in here. The normal method I do, the easiest candle ever. And two, let's go, baby. All right, so let's go, baby. All right. Now I am bullish for today. We just passed an account. Okay. To me, I think that we have buy side up here. Okay, the reason why is because every single method would have worked. Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry. Dude, I don't know what's going on. I know, I fixed it. I had the desktop audio on. So basically, I'm looking for higher prices here. It looks like we're going to put in a breaker here. Okay, so I'm going to be looking to use this as support, all right? And I'm bullish because essentially, why do you guys think like the main reason I'm bullish here is? There's one reason. Why do you guys think that I'm bullish here? Like what am I seeing? There's multiple reasons. Yeah, the body of this gap, of this hourly gap, was respected to the left. In what world would this candle be bearish? Would this be bearish? No world. Like, this is not bearish. We just respected an hourly. We just respected an hourly for value gap. The body held it. We have a candle out of it. Why would you short this ever? Does that make sense? Like, in no world would I ever short this, bro. So I'm looking for this buy side this morning. This is going to be my daily objective. And yeah. So I'm obviously we have the hourly candle close in 25 minutes. So we want to see us close above like this, but we'll see. Yeah, hopefully we'll get a breaker here. Maybe a little unicorn. So yeah. Yo, guys, if you haven't already left okay, I'm gonna do a giveaway. How should I do a giveaway here? I'm gonna do a giveaway. If you're in my YouTube stream, I'm doing a giveaway for you guys. All right, for the giveaway, 1, you must be subscribed. 2, what else should I do? All right, if you want I'm gonna do a Lucid account giveaway. If you guys want a Lucid account giveaway, go to my last video on YouTube, the trade recap I did 2 days ago, and leave a comment that just says giveaway, and I'm gonna pick a random person. We'll do it. You only have 5 minutes. And I'm going to go to all my comments right now and just pick a random person. It's the go to the video. It's my last video uploaded. It's the literally the last trade recap uploaded. I did 3 titles for it, so I don't know what the title is for you guys. Not in the YouTube chat. You guys are dumb. I said not in the YouTube chat. You have to comment it on my last video that I uploaded. My last video. Okay. I uploaded a day ago. All right. Yeah, it's the how I made whatever. Did people get rich from trading or did they get rich from all the signups? Good question. Most people I know who get like rich, it's from them selling courses and affiliates. I know a few people who are rich from trading though, but it's more rare. Like I'm not rich from trading. Like I'm definitely rich off all of my other incomes, but I'm like I don't have to like with trade. Like I could stop all my income streams right now and just trade and just I could still live a good life. Like still not work. I could still travel. I made 20K trading like 2 days ago. Like I don't know. Now if it was like 3 years ago, probably not. But I mean I've sized up big time this year, especially. My goal is to be risking 100K per trade by the time I'm 30, and I'm only 23 right now, so I think I'm on the right path. So yeah. So again, I'm watching for an hourly close here. Why don't I just set buy and sell stops in all my evals? Because on Apex, like sometimes it'll wick you out and it won't work. All right, you guys have about 2 more minutes, and then I'm gonna pick a winner from the video. All right. Holy, there's 841 comments. What the hell? What the hell, bro? Bro, the chance of winning the Lucid account is very slim now. I just got 700 comments in like 2 seconds. All right, we're gonna have to pick someone, bro. All right. What's rich to me? Like, I need a millionaire is like rich. All right, we're gonna pick a random winner. Ready? Yeah. All right, just wait. I'm just gonna stop randomly. All right, boom. This guy. Oh, nope. He never found a giveaway. Okay, we're gonna do another one. This guy. All right. SKA man 8151. He said giveaway Dodgy. I'm Jeffrey. Ska man, if that's you, DM me on Discord please and prove that it's your account, and then you win the account. And don't worry, I'm gonna be doing more giveaways. I'm gonna be doing more. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. So again, I'm going to talk about price. I'm going to do some educational, commentary here. All right. We have about 18 minutes till the candle close. All right. And, obviously right now, is this an order block or is this a breaker? Is this a breaker or order block right now? Yes or no? No, it's not, because we didn't close above the candle. All right, we need to close above the candle, guys. Now, when will we know when this is gonna close above? Well, in 17 minutes. All right, but we don't know right now. All right. So, again, still a lot of time. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys something, okay, that's gonna be super, 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 super important, all right? And it's this. What else is important that's super important here that you can see in my chart right now, other than like the hourly? What's a condition? There's a very obvious condition here. It's super important. Why do I have a 67-minute time frame? Because you got to, bro. Yeah, the 15-minute fair value gaps to the left. These are very, 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 very obvious, all right? So we're going to be watching these 15 minutes. If we close above these 15 minutes, I might take an options long. Okay, we'll see. I'm not going to take a futures long because the stop loss is massive. But essentially what I'll be looking for is this. All right. This is essentially what I'm looking for. If we get the close. If we don't get the close, we don't get the close. But charts are creating an OB in the 4-hour. Yeah, I know. FundedNext. What about FundedNext? Now, what happens if we just reject this and then we go down, then we get like a giant short setup and we never break this all day? Then what? Then what? What then? Yeah, then we don't long. We don't, I mean, we'll probably end up shorting. Okay, we'll go to the, wait, is there a data low? There's not a data low here, guys. It's not a swing low. So ideally, I am looking for this though. Like I want this buy side to hit. I have this marked in my Discord and my index commentary. So this is the buy side I want. So this is what I'm looking for, the move. But I will admit that I'm wrong if we don't close below. Dude, ICT tweeted volatility coming in less than 2 minutes. So I guarantee you some absolute bot is like, how do you know that? ICT, you're so smart. How do you know that? I swear, some people don't even be checking the economic calendar. Like, it's kind of crazy. Dude, honestly, if we just close above here in the 5 minute, we'll probably just pump. Holy. I think we just pump here, guys. I wish I would honestly enter options right now if I could, but I can't. But again, we have a higher time frame inversion. Is this like, if you were bearish right now, okay, let's say, like, I always think about this because I've been trading for a long time, and I always think about this in like my own mind. Let's say you're in a short right now and you're bearish and you're watching these candlesticks. Would you be scared? Like, would you be like, damn, I'm definitely wrong, if you saw something like this, like how we're seeing now? Be honest. Would you guys be scared? Yeah, 100%. Like, you'd be like, damn, like we're just blowing by this. We're not getting any rejection. We're about to form this order block. Like if you were truly bearish and truly trying to short here, it just, like, you'd be scared, obviously, because we're not getting any shorts. We're not rejecting anything. Like, and you have to think of it in the mind of like of the opposite side, you know? It's just, it looks bullish, dude. It looks bullish. Um, when do I use CISD? I use CISD like kind of like yesterday I used CISD. I love CISD when it combines with an inversion. So like this one yesterday, the play I took yesterday, we had a CISD here, and I used it because I love these big candles that just absolutely wreck these guys. Like, I love when, you know, we have a down close candle, we have a manipulation leg, and it's like a delivery out of a gap to the left. So that's pretty much when I use it. If we're like delivering out of a gap, we have a manipulation leg, and then all of a sudden we have a giant candle that just like completely closes above these down close candles. So would you trade CPI by setting buy and sell stops? Yes, same way. Does it matter if we have an 1 hour SMT with yes? Nah, I don't use SMTs, bro. I hate SMTs. SMTs are more confirmation, not like, if you generally use SMTs for bias and just like you look at SMTs every single time, you're gonna take a lot of losses. So no, there's no data low here, guys. There's no data low. For everyone saying there's a data low, it's not a swing low. There's no data low. All right. So we have a 5 minute closure here. So yeah, guys, I mean, I think we're just gonna pump. We need the 15-minute close to confirm, but if you were to take something like this, the stop loss would be 100 points, so a pretty big stop. If you want, like, obviously, I'm not gonna take this. We're gonna be waiting for a confirmation setup. This is more of an options play, right? And I can't trade options right now. But yeah, we're looking for a confirmation play, like maybe a 1 minute or some sort of setup off this inversion to the upside. So that's what we're gonna be looking for. Why don't I place your stop loss at swing low or swing high? Because it's too bad RR when I know if I'm typically right in a trade, we're just gonna pump. So where can you find the Discord link? I don't even know if I have my Discord link in my bio. I'm pretty sure if you just go to DodgysDungeon.com, you should see it. I'm getting my whole like site revamped right now, so yeah, just do this. Join my free Discord here. Where do you place your? Why do you place your stop loss there? This isn't an actual play. This is only bias. Like I'm not taking this. It's like an idea. We still need the 15-minute close, guys. It's only 8:51. Like we have so much more time till open, so I'm just kind of yapping right now and just kind of getting in tune to the market. Do you think today's gonna be a bad day with us seeing the same structure of chop? So far, so good. I like the candle ranges today. So not yet. But can we set? Yes, you can step buy and sell stocks for CPI on a single email. No, I trade options on Webull. I love my website, but it looks like a scam. Yeah, I know. I'm getting a new website soon, guys. It's like a complete revamp. It's an actual professional built site. I paid like 10K for it, bro. So I'll send a Discord link in the description. Here's my Discord. What keyboard do I use? I use this keyboard, whatever this is. It's like it's some Japanese keyboard I got from Amazon. It was like 200 bucks. Alpha is releasing their broker soon. I'm supposed to test it out and give my review on it. So, dude, I want a long here so bad. Like, dude, we're gonna go up for sure, bro. It's just like, dude, it's not my. I mean, it is my model, but it's like the stop loss is massive, and if I'm wrong, I'd probably regret longing here. Do I still play Fortnite? Yeah, sometimes. Nah, I'm gatekeeping my key. 15-minute close means we're headed for previous day high. Yes, if we close above this 15-minute, like we're gonna go for 25, 513, and then that's my daily objective. So, is there a minimum trading days in Apex PAs? Yeah, you have to at least trade 7 or 8 days to get a payout, but on evals you don't. What if we run through it open? If we run through it open, I'm probably not going to take a trade today. I mean, this is my daily objective. Like I said, I want a long here, and I would long here if options were open right now. If the options market were open, and I'd probably go pretty heavy in this, but they're not, so I can't do anything. And I'm already up 3R in the week. I took the play on Monday. I oversized on it on my live account. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm probably just chilling for now. Watch the ICT 2022 mentorship, and then I watched the ICT 2020 or 2016 core content. Do I enter a CSD without an IPG? No, I always need an IPG. Always need an IPG. Did anyone long this? Just out of curiosity. I mean, this should work, but if this just kits, bro, it's gonna be sad because I'm not gonna take a trade for the. I'm not gonna trade if that hits. Yo, what's up, guys? If you start NQ signal groups, you'll make million in a month. Dude, you did not make that much in a month. What the hell? Okay, there's the first TP, guys. If you did long this, it looks like it might be a no trade day for me. Man, I really wish options were open. Oh, I'm in this on Apex Funded, yeah. I just didn't alert it. Options aren't open. Not a Weeble. We should still go up here. If you don't put your stop loss at the swing higher swing low, you get wicked out. I mean, bro, like, why isn't there a data wick? Because it's not a swing low. Am I in this? Yeah, I'm in this just on my fundeds, but nothing else. I wanted to take this long in options, but I won't trade options till 9:30. No shorts at their buy side? Nah, bro. This has been my daily objective for the last 2 days. So once this hits, I think today's gonna be ass. Where to enter if you miss the entry? You don't enter. What are the benefit of trading options? Trading options is good if you like know the drawn liquidity, but there's no entry. You just kind of enter in options and just kind of size for 0. And if you're right, then you'll make a lot of money. So, what's my win rate on my fundeds? Oh, it's horrible. Probably like 30-40%. How do you know that yesterday's 1-minute IVG was a fade? Here's the thing, dude. I mean, I'm gonna go over it after I watch this play out because I want to kind of monitor this. But the thing is, the yesterday's play, like I took a very good play in Monday, and it was light bulb, and like yesterday's 1 minute just didn't look the same. And I kind of like while having a winning trade fresh in my mind, I really want to replicate my winning trades. All right. So like, obviously, I'm not gonna take that trade if um it's I'm not gonna take that trade if like whatchamacallit, it doesn't look like a winning trade I just took the day before. So what is my balance? How much? 67,000. Why am I called dodgy? Long story. Yeah, I'm just going for like 3R trades, Jida. Like my RR is really good on my fundeds. I don't take partials or anything. Starting back up on Top Step, yeah. I'm about to get 5x FAs again, so I'm gonna go heavy as hell on them. Why isn't that a data wick? Holy shit, I already answered your question 50 times. It's because it's not a swing low, bro. How many times do I get that question? Why do you trade differently from fundeds versus live? Because fundeds, dude, I get like free eval accounts and shit. Like I don't care about them too much. On my live account, I'm risking quite a bit, so definitely more focus on them. Show the broker? What do you want? What do you mean? I'm on paper right now. I don't have my broker on the screen. Was my name ever barcode? No, it's not. I'm gonna do another giveaway soon, by the way, guys. I just gotta think of something to do. Is confirmation here for a retrace acceptable? Yeah, if we get it, but you knew it was paper trading? Yeah. I'm just on paper. I mean, I don't trade my broker on the screen. I trade him on another screen. Who wants to see an out? Is any here? I'm gonna do a little quick gold outlook real quick. Outlook on gold for anyone gold traders. Let's see here. Ooh, okay. We do technically have a data wick on gold, so if we get some sort of death can or something, I'd probably be targeting this data wick. So if you're gonna be trading gold, mark this data wick, guys. Now, if we don't get a death candle here, we don't get a short, we don't get an inversion down to the downside here, and we just inverse this to the upside, then don't worry about this anymore. But for now, as long as we're holding this, I would have this data wick marked. So get a haircut? Nah, dude. I just woke up with bedhead. I usually gel my hair. I usually gel it down, but I just woke up. What was the macro time from yesterday? It was the 9:50 to 10:10 macro. Am I break even now? Yeah, I am. Don't use gel, use clay. I use Moroccan hair oil, and then I use like this clay too. I use both. Depends though. Shout out from Philippines. You're George. Hey, what's up, bro? No, I don't drink coffee. New gens don't. Dude, the 1 center for life used to be apparent way more, dude. And I don't know what happened. Did I trade news today? Yeah, I did on YouTube. Like we used to get so many 1 center for lives. They look textbook. They look picture perfect. We haven't gotten one in a while. I feel like a really good one. We got the one I took in FOMC, but other than that, we haven't really gotten any. So, and what order should you watch ICT? Watch the 2016 core content and then the 2020-22 mentorship. Can you stop spamming Delgado, Carlos? Yeah, I'm break even on this. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hi, my. Here's to know this is my last night, but it's late, and I'm trying not to. Since you went to expose a system at Wall Street, we got the 1 center for life. Less, bro. Okay. All right, buddy. Yeah, for sure. And Is 25447 protected? No. Is today a 2 Red Bull no breakfast day? No. I use Moroccan hair oil. It's not actually gel, bro. Oh, by the way, yes. Good. By the way, thank you. Recently on Twitter, I don't know if you guys follow my Twitter. I had like an IFG dungeon. Okay, basically, it's like a little community, and like if you tweet IFG setups. I just added a moderator to delete all the spam posts, but it kind of got dead because the spam post. I'm gonna be posting it again. It's gonna be active again. So if you want to go join my Twitter, the dungeon, maybe I'll do a giveaway for people to join or something. But we're only talking about IVG setups. Like if you have any questions, I'm gonna be looking through there, answering some sometimes, and I have a moderator that's gonna delete all the spam now. So go check that out. It's on my Twitter profile. I don't get any money off it. It's like free. I'm not gonna be posting affiliates or marketing in it. It's literally just gonna be like straight IFG setups value. Okay, I don't want anyone to think I'm like trying to scam you or anything. But like yeah, literally just straight up a IFG community. We talk about IFGs, so or just like post our play for the day. So yeah. Do I think 2022 mentorship is still the best? Yeah. So yeah. Without retracement confirmation log here, yeah, if we get it. What's my win rate on my live account? This month I think it's or no, this year I think it's like 65% now. I took a few dumbass plays. Skyman, tag me in my disc. Okay, Skyman, go to your settings in Discord and make sure it's like allow messages for everyone, and then you should be able to DM me. What do you think will happen to market open? I mean, right now I think we're gonna just pump. Was January red for me? No, it was not. The only month this year that was almost red for me that I was like pretty much break even was August. August was horrible for me. Do I live in Brickell? No, I live in Fort Lauderdale. What's the full TP? The full TP is going to be this hourly high. This is my bias for today. So I'm looking for some move off open or maybe a confirmation setup or something. And it's name and a name and we have to slip up. What broker do you use? I use Ninja Trader. The IVG community is on my Twitter. It's like if you go on my Twitter and go to like Dodgy's IVG dungeon, it's like in my profile. So I'm gonna be posting that a little bit. It's like there's no strings attached. It's literally just straight up like okay, if you have Twitter, like gonna be a lot of education there. So yeah, who wants to see the yeah, I use Tradecopia. Here's the link if you guys are interested. Am I live trading open? We'll see. We'll see if we get like a Judas swing or some sort of thing. Yeah, Benjamin, exactly. Exactly. What is a propulsion block? It's an order block off an order block. I use Tradecopia and Ninja, yes. It's looking like this trade is going to be break even, but we'll see. Is Tradecopia better or TradeSyncer? TradeSyncer is a platform that I saw had an issue 1 out of 20 times. Okay, Tradecopia is a platform that I have seen no issues so far with because it's software based. Yes, TradeSyncer works, but like if it messes up one time, which it has because it's cloud based, it will screw your accounts. I got my account screwed when I was testing it out because of one day, and it worked every other day, so it was great every other day. One day it messed up. I'm like, bro. So I like Tradecopia better. Just because it's software based, bro. What's my thoughts for today? My thoughts, I'm just looking for some sort of like invert or bullish move out of this or something like that off open. Just because we have a higher time frame inversion, we have, we're trending up. I would not call this bearish at all. So the 1 minute IVG on gold, honestly, this is pretty good. The 2 minute, I like this. If you get like a good candle through it. So then one setup for life data wick. So what cars do I drive? I drive a G-Wagon and a Lamborghini. Yeah, I see gold. If we get gold like 2 minute, it looks good, or like a 3 minute. Do you think someone could get rich with someone only trading props? Oh, of course. You just need like 20 accounts and like 4 different prop firms. Discord link. I'm gonna send my Discord link. Dude, I don't want to make this into like a marketing thing though. Like, I'll send my Discord link a few times, but not that much. Why do I not trade YM? Because I think NQ is cleaner. One setup for life is it? Yeah, it's like when we have a data wick and you target a data wick. Won't the price retrace? Here's the thing. I've been trading for 6 years, okay? And in my experience, sometimes we'll retrace, sometimes we won't. I don't know. Like, I'm looking for bullish prices regardless. I don't know. Sometimes it will go down here, sometimes it won't. Did I have fun at the Alpha event? Yeah, the Alpha event was sick, bro. I love that event. You're learning the 2022 model. Any guidance? Yeah, learn the 2022 model and then learn inversions out there. Do I ever trade ES? Nah, I used to. Give me your trade copious code. My code for trade copy is just dodgy. Thanks, bro. You don't have to use it if you don't want it, but when would a protect swing low be protected and act as a target? Usually when we take out the other side and we generate liquidity on the other side. So if you open a position before news and it closes during news, does payouts get denied? It just depends on the firm. Did the method this morning work? Yes, it did, Joey. Wait, how'd it fail? It worked for me. Tips for beginner traders. Find a mentor that resonates with you. Like, watch like a ton of mentors and be like, and like get some experience, and then find one and stick with one that just resonates with you. So that's my only advice. Am I going to trade CPI? Yeah, I'll trade CPI. Do I go live every day in the Discord? Yeah, I'm live every single day in Discord. But if you're going to be a signal bot and you're looking for signals, please do not join. I teach you where price is going to move, when price is going to move, and why price is going to move. So I'm that mentor to you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Dodgy and PB on top. Yes, sir. Dude, I'm going to make a video later. It's going to be, I'm going to put PB and Blake on all my like screens or whatever. And I'm going to post it and be like, I'm gonna be like what I do on my Wednesday night. It's gonna be like all the PB and Blake videos pulled up on the screen. They're gonna see it and be like, what the hell? Do me and PB have beef? No, bro. I just hung out with him at the Alpha event. I don't have beef with anyone. Do I go break even if ES sweeps the high or low? No, I don't. Do I offer one-on-one coaching? I do, but like it's hard to find. If you go to my Instagram bio, like stop asking me. I feel like I'm marketing. If you go to my Instagram bio, there's a link to apply for a call. Nah, I don't have beef with anyone, bro. Why don't I follow Dalo on IG, bro? I don't follow like anyone, bro. Dalo will deserve a follow someday, but not yet. Who should we watch with you? PB Trading. Yeah, PB Trading is good to watch. Blake, um, like PJ Trades. I mean, I know he like has a little. He kind of goes for like really high R, so not as high a win rate, but just find someone that resonates with you, bro. Literally, that's it. Don't watch like 50 million inversion traders. Find one that just resonates with you. Do I think I'll ever stop trading? No. Am I still live on YouTube? Yeah. Yeah, PJ is good. It just depends. Some people like PJ, some people don't. Some people like me, some people don't. Some people like PB and Blake, some people don't. It's like, I don't know. Gold isn't getting the short. Did I teach Blake? Bro, I taught indirectly every single trader in this whole entire space trading inversions. Every single one. Basically, my story is I used to do the 2022 model. Yes, why are you asking me that? The 2022 model, and then I literally figured out my inversion model. I gate kept it for like 6 months. Obviously, no one traded it because I gate kept it, and everyone was trading 2022 model. And then I started posting about it on Twitter, and then I made the YouTube video about it, and it just blew the hell up. And then all of a sudden, a year later, there's all these random ass kids with Corvettes and Lambos who trade inversions. I'm like, what the hell? Dude, if I gate kept my model, like one, I probably wouldn't have made as much money. But like two, I guarantee you the whole space would still be trading the 2022 model, bro. Like I just the thing with the version model is like it doesn't lose that much. And I made so many mentors who made their own discords who stream the inversion model and they don't lose a lot. And people like that. So naturally they get people joining their stuff, you know? It's just insane. Did I teach Lanto and Kane? Not directly, no. I think Kane more learned from like T Trades, but like even T made an inversion video after I started talking about them, and he even put me in the description. So T Trades is an inversion video. He and he put my Twitter and stuff in the description because he was kind of looking at them for me. And then Lanto, like Lanto, not really indirectly. I mean, he used to ask me questions on inversions and stuff occasionally, but like anyone you see trading inversions, bro, like some people I didn't teach like directly, but like I basically like started a movement. I don't know how to explain it. Like everyone, bro. Keyflow said he taught me. Yeah, he's definitely joking. Why do I take so many trades in a day? I don't. I only do one trade a day. Yeah, I basically like influence everyone to trade them just because everyone was seeing how high my win rate was and like I don't know. And then like the singular obvious gaps and just like I don't know. Like I thought all that shit myself, bro. It took me thousand. Like it took. I think I have like over 1,000 backtesting hours on FxReplay, bro. Ever met Vito? No, I don't know who that is. What do I think about the volume gap in the daily time frame? I don't know. Yeah, Lewis, trading Lewis. Like I directly taught him. He used to be in my streams for 4 or 5 months. Um, yeah, trading Lewis. He used to trade Silver Bullet. He was calling out Silver Bullet trades in my streams when he first joined, and then I put him on inversions. What are Lucid's rules? I feel like you can just look those up. I don't really know. How does the influx of volume in the indicator work? It basically just means like that when we get an influx of volume, the indicator says like alerts it like an abnormal amount of volume compared to previous candles. So did I teach Riley? No, like yes and no. I mean, he learned from Blake, which obviously, dude, I didn't like some of these people I didn't directly teach. I just influenced them all to trade it. Um, Why don't I have an SVJ? I could buy an SVJ right now. It's just I'd rather buy property or something else. Do I sell a course? No, I just sell live trading every day in my Discord. I would never sell just like a, oh, here's a course, goodbye. You know what I'm saying? ICT is live. Nice. I don't watch ICT anymore. Lewis reminds you of JD Vance. Bro. How many average trades do I take per week? Like 3 or 4. Unless it's a really good week. Dude, I feel like I'm turning this into a marketing stream. Can I just I'm gonna talk about price, guys. I mean, it's almost open, so just wait. I'm basically IFG Jesus. I mean, no, I don't compare myself to Jesus, but I should open up a car wash, bro. So at open, all right, I'm gonna give you my thoughts right now. We have an inversion here. We ripped by it, and in no world I would ever short this. Okay, this is too much momentum. It's too V-shaped. We swept this low down here. All right, we're actually delivering from this old order block. A lot of people I see fail to mark out these old PD arrays. They're like, oh, these don't matter. Okay, but using these in hindsight to my advantage is very key. So we're delivering from this old order block. It's a 15-minute. We swept this 15-minute low. We have a giant V shape here. There's a giant inversion. Now, can I see this inversion if I back away all the way back here? Yes or no? Can I see that? Is that visible to me? Yes or no? Yes, this is very visible. Okay. I like it. It's obvious. So in reality, this is going to be the gap that I use, and it's going to be the only gap I use. There's no other gaps I'm going to use. There's no other. There's just everything else is tiny. Nothing else stands out besides this. So this is going to be my condition all day. I'm looking for basically either a confirmation setup off it or a lower time frame setup, or just us pumping straight off open. Okay. So yeah. The data, there is no data low. The data low is not a swing low. Yeah, and we close above the 1 hour. The 1 hour has like a giant breaker here. The 1 hour has like a order block here. Like, and we close above this hourly too. Look at this. Look at this. We close above everything. If we dump here, then I'm not gonna say that in stream. If we dump here, then I like men. Like, bro, I would never short this. Never. It's too V-shaped, too much momentum. There's clear buy set above. Like, if we dump here, great. I'm not taking anything. Yeah, looks like we're going to get this gold inversion here. So that's my thought process for today. Do I wait for a retrace and enter? No, I always market buy. My IFG model stop is a close back below. It's not at the swing low. Why don't I trade ES anymore? Because NQ is just more volatile and I like it better. I love the way Blake trade, but he don't live trade. Do you know who someone is trading his model and do his live streams? Yeah, me. What do you mean? I mean, PJ, I does, but it's different. Dude, there's so many people. Will options. There's so many people, bro. Spaghetti, Tempo, Desi. All these people trade like the model I trade. No, I'm still subscribed to ICT. Do I mix between hard stops and soft stops? Yeah, I do a hard stop if I'm like, okay, we should not go down to this level, you know? Am I recording? Yeah. 2-minute long? Yeah, the low key is a 2-minute long here. Little inversion here. I'll probably, for the position I'm in, I'll probably trail my stop if we get this 2-minute long, low key. But yeah, we got a 2-minute long here. We'll see. I mean, I don't want to take anything to open. We also have a 5 minute. We need to close above 2. And the thing with this, it's in premium. It's like, I don't know. Maybe I'll try my stop if that gets wrecked. What do I think about alpha decay? It's not real. It's not real. Am I looking for a retracement? Yeah, the dream scenario, honestly, if you guys want to get into play, is going to be this. But if we get this 5 minute closure at open along with the 2 minute, we could honestly just pump. I'm not going to lie. Like, if this plays out, then we're cooked pretty much. This 2 minute long. All I know is we're going here. Like, this is my bias. So you guys can make your own decisions. Yeah, I'm recording. I don't know why you spam that every day, bro. Just say it once. The data low is a swing low in micro, but not the mini. It doesn't matter. I only take the mini. Only the mini matters. Is this my only trade? I mean, if it plays out, yeah, probably. Yeah, gold is inverse yet. All right, we have 2 more minutes open. Dude, maybe we'll go, actually, what's call it? Can you show us backtest and journal? What do you mean? I do an FxReplay. Trader Kane is a short bias, bro. Trader Kane always is a short bias, bro. I don't care what. If ICT said we are 100% dumping today, I would not care. I would still have a long bias here. I'm looking for these highs. All right. We have 1 more minute to open. I'm looking for us to pump. My stops are break even for this. I've noticed when you're using, yeah, it's like the 9. If I'm right, the 930 will just deliver right to my target. Have I my ICT? No. Do I still backtest sometimes? No, unless it's for like a class. My draw is up here. My draw on liquidity right now is 25,515. Yeah, my stop's a break even for this. All right. 15 seconds to open, guys. We'll see if it gets stop break even or not. If the 5 minute doesn't close here, we're probably gonna dump and then maybe get a confirmation set up. Okay, let's see. So we could get a confirmation set up here. Let's see. We do have a 30-second. But nothing light bulb. Okay, so we got that. We just don't have a setup. So I'm still in the long though. And a good stop break even, thankfully. And I'm targeting up here. Honestly, we should just straight pump here if I'm right. Do not want to see any stalling. We have about 50 more points to go. What's my win rate? 0%. We'll see if we get like a 3-minute OB here or not. If we don't get an OB here, we're probably gonna maybe reject again. If we get an OB here, we'll probably go up, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Now, is my draw on liquidity still the same? Has anything changed for me in terms of what price action is doing? No. We're still obviously bullish. We're not getting any short setups here. I'm still looking for price to go up, obviously. To the buy side. So we got about 40 seconds till the stream gonna close. Do I trade trend lines? I only use them for drawing liquidity. Okay, so it looks like we're not going to get an OB here. We do have a 1 minute short, but nothing I'm interested in yet. Again, I'm not going to take a 1 minute short if I'm bullish, obviously. So. What did I do? My eyebrows? I dyed them. Yeah, maybe go take out the 930 wick, then get along. We'll see. Go short. I'm not going to short with a bullish bias here. Do I trade live after NFP? Usually. Okay, so there's a short TP. Maybe we'll get like an inversion here or something. We don't have the OB in the 3 minute, so obviously not bullish yet. I'm looking for some sort of move up here though still. I'm still in this long somehow. Data lows? You don't have data lows. We literally have no setups here, guys. I mean, besides the setup I already took. So not really much we can do. Do we just create equal highs? Let's see. Ooh, yeah. We just created equal highs right here. Holy. So we just created perfect equal highs up here. Good catch. Good catch. So we have more liquidity up here. So I'm going to keep these marked. This would be where we get our dream scenario long right here. So we're going to be looking for some sort of 30-second or something. The only thing I see right now is a 15-second. Unfortunately, I do not trade the 15-second, but we don't have a 30-second inversion. We don't have a 1 minute. We don't have a 2 minute yet. So we're just going to be patient. My play did get stop break even from before, sadly. It's all right, though. We might get a better play anyways. Dude, the fact we just left perfect equal highs here is insane. Like, these are perfect, bro. Ideally, like, I would be looking for this low to be a soup just because it's inside of this higher time frame inversion. But there's still no inversion we can take, so. Why not the 1 minute? The 1 minute's just not obvious, dude. I think the fifth, like if you're gonna take a play, it's gotta be this 15-second. But I don't trade the 15-second. I'll tape read it. So even 15-second. I mean, I'm not taking this one. I'll just tape read it. But again, that was a soup, which we wanted. We don't have a textbook inversion here, guys. The equal highs are at 25,464. Thanks for the inverse dodgy bias strategy. Dude, my bias still isn't even played out. Again, if we go through this inversion and start ripping through this inversion, then I'll probably change my bias. But we did just leave these absolutely perfect equal highs in the 15-minute, so I don't like fading those. But we'll see. I mean, I'm gonna just play what I see. So far, no trades, and I'm not shorting today, obviously. The equal highs are at 25,465.25. Right. There's like still no textbook play here, bro. There's no textbook inversion here if we do get along. So kind of sucks. We want to see an inversion. We just don't have any besides 15-second one. Still a soup. We want this to be a soup, obviously. Bro, if you go on the 15-minute NQ1 exclamation point chart, there's perfect equal highs exactly up here. All right. No, the 1 minute isn't obvious. There's no inverses here, no nothing yet to take. All right. There's a 1 minute, bro. This 1 minute's not obvious, dude. It's tiny. I'll never take that. Yeah, I'm looking for long to equal highs, but we need one, obviously. We don't have an inversion here. We don't have a light bulb set up. Yeah, who's in this gold play, by the way? If you're in this gold play, go break even. Target's gonna be the data wick. You're longing if we close above the wick? Yeah, that's fine. Gold should print here. As long as we like knife through this, we should just dump the data wick. Do I have a video explaining order block? Yeah, I have like multiple. The only play we've gotten all day yet so far is this gold play, which I already alerted. So hopefully you're in if you trade gold. I wonder if my indicator alerted this one. Let's see. My indicator alerted the SMT here, but not the actual setup. On the gold trade, do we have an actual liquidity sweep? No, we just delivered from this fair value gap, which is good enough. And you can see this is a protected high right here. This level is a protected high. So we don't have data lows, guys. The data lows are not actually data lows. They're not a swing low. Did you draw it? No, that's not how you draw a risk. No, gold and silver are very different from NQ. We don't have a data low because it's not a swing low. Dude, this gold plays absolutely printing. Holy. I know. Hopefully you guys are in this. We should run this data wick. I don't see why we wouldn't. NQ is trash right now. There's nothing. There's no. What's the problem with NQ here, guys? There's one thing that I'm noticing that's just very clear. Yeah, there are literally no fair value gaps forming right now in any time frame. So it's not really easy to trade. All right. The only thing that we have was this 15 second, which was the most obvious thing. So I'll tape read it if we get this, but I'm not. It's just I need to see like an obvious 1 minute light bulb to trade. But gold should just dump here. Maybe we'll get like a 1 minute CSD or something. It's just gonna be a tape read though. Yeah, there's no first presented fair value gap. There's no fair value gaps in general. Like, there's nothing to really base price off of here, unfortunately. How does the risk work on gold? You just have to calculate it. Dude, my indicator has the data low marked. That's good. Even though the woman is obvious, it seems to be respected a lot. Does that mean anything? If we get like a giant absolute monster candle over it, then yeah, it'll probably play out. But unless we get like a really good momentum candle or influx of volume, then no. Do I ever trade gold? Yeah, sometimes. Etch, it's with the high we formed it open. It's the equal highs we formed it open, bro. These equal highs are so obvious. I know they're gonna hit. We just don't have a setup to them. What makes me not consider the woman right now? It's just not obvious, dude. I like to take obvious stuff. The only thing I'll be watching for fun is this 15 second, but I mean, I don't trade the 15-second time frame, bro. There's no volume. We're not getting any fair value gaps. Like, there's not much we can do. I feel like we're just gonna get a monster candle out of nowhere, but it's just gonna be hard to predict when. So all I know is we have buy set up here and we have equal highs up there. We don't have any entries though. Do you guys agree with me? It's like literally, and no fair value gaps. So not really much you can do. We're gonna, for forward testing, we're just gonna watch this 15 second for fun. But it's not anything I'm gonna alert or just a take, or I'm not gonna take it or anything. Which equal highs / lows indicator I use? I don't use an equal highs indicator, but if you're gonna use the one by out of options. Would I have taken gold if it didn't have data lows? No. Only reason gold's good is because it has data lows. So 15-minute IPG, terrible FP. Yeah, exactly, Martin. So we're just gonna tape read this 15 second for fun. I feel like it could work, but it's just gonna be a tape read for me. If this was a 1 minute, I'd probably take it, but it's just not. So terrible close there. Okay, let's see if we can go up to these equal highs. Get us up more equal highs. Nice. So we just have more equal highs there. So we have equal highs here and maybe equal highs here. So it looks like it's just engineering. So we just left equal highs here and here. So maybe we'll get another, like an actual 30-second or something, maybe. This would be good, like here. Okay. All right. We could be cooking here, guys. We could actually get a better play here, 30-second or 1 minute. We just left 2 sets of equal highs here and here. Good sign. Let's see here. Maybe we'll go to 30-second. Again, still no 1 minute gaps forming here, so obviously you don't want to be trading this. But we're leaving a lot of liquidity up here, so. I'm on NQ. This guy never actually enters a trade. Bro, what the hell am I supposed to enter here? We literally have no model, bro. Are you serious? How am I supposed to enter when I don't have a model and I don't have fair value gaps? I'm not going to enter. All I'm marking right now is we're engineering a lot of liquidity both here, here, and here. Like, I'm not entering in chop, bro. So we have a 30-second here. I actually kind of like this setup if we get a really good like V-shaped candle, but if we don't, then I don't. And then you'd go break even at the equal highs, but it's not like 8+. I'll probably give this like a B- setup. Nah, this wouldn't be a live account trade. Definitely not. Too choppy. There's gonna be better days in this though. I'd stay out for now. Definitely like, I don't know. It's more of an eval trade. Yeah, gold's still looking good, guys. So hopefully you move your stop break even at gold. All right, let's see if we get this 30-second close. If we get this 30-second close, we should go to the equal highs. Are we making LRLR below? It's not like textbook, but kind of, yeah. This is just one of those days where like I have the liquidity marked, but the lower time frame price action is like a C. Right? I think the liquidity is an A+, but the lower time frame price action and the price action that we're trying to enter on is horrible. So there's not really much we can do, to be honest. Mass, it depends on if you already know how to trade or not. If you know how to trade, then risk aggressive. If you're not, then you don't. So that's my tip. Do I never look at ES simultaneously? No, not really. All right, if we get this 30-second close, then I'm going to be looking for a move to these equal highs possibly, and then maybe higher, but if you don't get the close, you don't get the close. You're long in eval? Why are you long? There's no entry yet. We literally have 0 entry yet. We're just chopping. Still not closed there. This is the wrong day to go live, guys. I don't even know what to say. This is horrible. I would not trade this. Do not trade this. This is horrible price action, and we're not getting anything. Maybe we'll have to wait for after 10 a.m. We did just enter the macro time, so maybe we get a move now. Yeah, we just had 2 great days in a row, so I guess I'm not surprised we're getting bad PA. I don't really know what to say. This is just choppy, guys. I would just trade eval or just don't take any trades at all. Yeah, sometimes lunch and PM are better on these days when AM sucks. So. Not really much to say. What did I think about the 1 minute? The 1 minute wasn't obvious. I would have never taken that. Not taking the 30-second inverse? Nah, it's not V-shape enough. I'll just tape read it now. I would have taken it if we inverse on this candle, but we just didn't. So I'll just probably tape read it. What did I think about gold? I think gold's a good trade and you should be a break even. If it stops you at break even, then whatever, you know. But this price action is horrible. Yeah, I know. I mean, smoke trader will not, unemployment claims will not do what NFP did, bro. I'm telling you. Are we donuts if you trade this PA? Yes. If you trade this price action, you're donuts. Be patient. Yeah, I would preserve capital. B2, 100%. Just tape read this, guys. There's no gaps forming. There's no inverses forming. There's no nothing forming. So this is horrible. We've got 0 2-minute gaps. We've got 0 3-minute gaps. We've got 0 4-minute gaps. 0 5-minute gaps. All since open. So we have liquidity, but we just don't have any gaps or setups. Are we in a 5-minute short? No, I'm not in anything right now. There's literally nothing to do here, guys. The only thing that I even remotely see is if we get a giant candle above this 30-second, then like I'll probably say that should work. But like, it's gotta be giant, bro. Would the 30-second with a good entry be live count play for you? No, not in this price action. This is horrible, bro. How do you plot the equal lows of the range in the 15-minute? I just mark them like I have them marked here. PB went long. Why did PB go long? Is there a 30-second inversion? I don't even know what to say. This is so boring. PB didn't go long? Oh, why did someone say that? Any reason I decided to go live on YouTube? Yeah, it is for NFP. What do I think about ICT's Robbins performance? The Robbins Cup is the dumbest cup in existence, bro. This is where we just sit back, relax, and we don't do a damn thing. And we just wait. Like, bro, I'm so confident we go up. We're not getting any entries to go up. What do I think gold is going to do now? I mean, I think gold will go down, but stop should be a break even. If it gets out break even, then I don't know. Maybe we'll just chop around. AMD setup, yeah, maybe if we get like a V shape down here, we could get like an AMD or something, but just got nothing right now, man. Yo, if you haven't already left a like on my the YouTube live stream, make sure to leave a like. And TikTok, obviously. If I like, I'm gonna be honest, like if I didn't have to stream, I would have already gotten off by now. Like I would have just like been like, yeah, I'm done. But obviously I'm streaming for you guys, so. Nah, I don't stream PM session, bro. Okay, we just reswept this low. Do I technically know what's gonna happen at this low in live time? Do I know what's gonna happen? Yeah, no, I don't. I'm gonna watch what happens here, and I'm gonna react based off what happens. All right. If we get a soup, great. If not, then I can't do anything. I think gold's gonna be a break-even trade. PM session starts at 1:30. Damn, there's like no fair value gaps for me, bro. Maybe we'll get like a 1 minute here. What's ICT saying about price action in his stream? Is he saying this is trash? I'm not pulling up ICT stream, bro. I'm sorry. He said the touch grass. Yeah, it makes sense. Ronaldo or Messi? Ronaldo's the greatest goal scorer of all time, but all around, it's not a debate. M2. Okay, the M2 is actually very clean here, yes. If we got the M2 long, I'd definitely take this one. But if we don't get it, we don't get it. What do I do besides trading? I golf a lot. Yeah, the 2 minute looks pretty good here, guys. But if we don't get it, we don't get it. Honestly, we could just dump to this like faked out the Lewis low here. Even if you were bearish bias, there's like nowhere. There's no way you could have gotten it short, bro. Yeah, we have a Lewis low down here, but it doesn't need to hit. Here's the thing, if we bounce from this fair value to left and then get the 2 minute, I would take this 2 minute. Like I don't need to see this hit. If it hits, great. If not, it's like okay, The Lewis low is a data low that's not actually a data wick. It's not a swing low, so I play Fortnite sometimes, but that's pretty much it. All right, we have a potential 2 minute. Would you guys agree that if we got this 2 minute, it would be a plus and everyone would take it? If we got like a really good V shape. Yes or no? Yeah, definitely. Looks good. We'd be delivering off a bullish gap. We'd be holding this higher time from frame inversion. And yeah, looks great. Now, if we do not get the 2 minute gap, what do we do? Nothing. We probably will just log off, is my guess. So go back, go look at your last 10 winning trades and go look what your last 10 winning trades look like. Compare it to this 2 minute and compare it to how we close above it, how the momentum looks and everything. And if it looks like that, then we're going to take it. If not, then we're not going to take it. If we just dump, we're not going to take anything. It's too low to short. So Do I think we tap the 1 hour below before going higher? I mean, bro, I think we go higher here, bro. All right, let's see if we get this. You don't. Someone goes, I don't have 10 winning trades yet. That's funny. What's the reason why my stop loss drawn out now? I mean, it's kind of just a guesstimate. I have the essential. Subscription. Now, this is a very good learning moment because you guys got to understand, like, this is a good 2 minute. All right, this is a good 2 minute. There will be days where we don't get this, but there will be days we get this. If we don't get this play right now, you still remember what this looks like in the signature and price I'm showing you and why this would be good because we could get it in the future? Yes, 100%. Like, yeah, even if we don't get it now, it's not going to matter. You should still be looking at me calling this price action and be like, okay, he likes this 2 minute. If we close above it, whatever. Because yes, even though we might not get it now and the bias might be bearish to these lows, it doesn't matter. There might be another day where we might get it and you have to be willing to take it. Does that make sense, everyone? Does that make sense, everyone? Yes or no? Exactly. So, like, it's still good education, even if we're not getting this gap, because it's still going to be something for the future that you're going to want to remember. Like, okay, Dodgy likes this. We might not get it today, but if we get in the future, this would be something I would take because Dodgy likes it. You know, we're delivering out this gap, you know, whatever. So, it's just important to know. I'm not going to lie, based off this reaction, I mean, it looks like we're just going to go to these lows. So, I'm not taking a short, though, still. No way I'm shorting in the side of a bullish gap. What's a Lewis low? A Lewis low is a data low that's not a swing low. They're lower probability than if it was a swing low. It's just so hard to trade this, bro. The last 2 days were so good, bro. I wish we had the last 2 days. I picked the wrong day to go live. Why is it called the Lewis low? Because it's a name I've just made up, but one day I thought it was funny. Do I have a girlfriend now? The last 2 days, I know, literally the last 2 days have like the 2 best setups of the month. Like, I might, like, if we don't get a trade today, it might be done for the week, bro. I mean, I'm chilling on the week. 1 minute? No, I don't like the 1 minute. I only like this 2 minute if we get it. The 1 minute's too small. I want to see a lot of momentum above this 2 minute for me to take a long here. 30-second doesn't look bad, but the 2 minute's just the safest. The 2 minute and the 5 minute are probably the safest here. I don't think we're going to get this, guys. I think we're just going to dump. We would have already gotten long if we did. So I think we're going to go down to the sell side. It's, you know, I'm not shorting or anything, but I think we already would have pumped if we were going to go up. So doesn't really matter if I'm wrong or right, though, because I'm not in a position. It's just, bro, I think about it in terms of like, okay, if I was bearish here or if I was bullish here, we would have already pumped. Like, we would have pumped out this candle. We just didn't. So that makes me think we're going to go to sell side. I'm wrong about the bias. So I'm still not going to short it because I'm not shorting in a bullish gap to the left and discount. Like, so gold looks like it would have gone stop break even, sadly. Rip. No, I'm not shorting. I'm not taking any short. I'm not taking a 5 minute short. I'm not taking any short down here. Too low to short for me. There's a 1 minute unicorn short. Yeah, maybe there was, but I'm not. There, we had perfect equal highs up here. There's no way I would have ever shorted it. It's against my rules, especially with those equal highs. So I'm just following my rules. We left equal highs above there. They're obvious. You can see them in the 15 minute, and I won't take shorts with those above. So it's just me following my rules. For anyone wondering, if we do get this close, we should just dump. Let's see. I'm not sure where we'll dump to, but at least the Lewis lows. If we get the close below this gap. Take the short? Nah, dude, I'm not shorting this low. I'm sorry. Can I connect your trading view and Tradeify through trade copy it? Yeah, you can. Would you take 30-second longs? Nah. I'd only take this 2 minute long. When my conditions ever trade gold? I don't trade gold anymore. So there is none. All right, let's see if we get this close here. Again, if we close under this, we should quickly go to this Lewis low. But if we don't close under this gap, then we won't. Okay, no close there. Why don't I take the 30-second? Because if we got this 30-second here, it's like it's the internal gap, okay? And we'd be running into a 2 minute here. So if we got the 30-second, it might be a loss and might not hit the break even because we'd be running into the external gap. I'd rather wait, especially with how bad this PA is. I would wait for the most safest time frame close possible for me to take a trade in this specific price action. Of course, if we had better price action, yes, I would take the 30-second. But to me, these conditions are horrible. We have had really 2 good days the last 2 days that have expanded a lot, and I was already kind of expecting bad price action today. So I'd wait for every time frame close, right? Let's see if we get this play. Okay, we should just run these lows. Little chase play here. And then once we hit these, we'll kind of see what happens. Let's see if we get the close here. Do I have breakers? Yeah. What about a 30-second IPG short? Yeah, I mean, if you're going to short now. This is going to hit. I mean, if you are going to short now. Okay, and then cover at these lows. It's like the most freest money ever. Okay, now cover here. Boom. You don't really need to wait for a model to take that short. You just know it's going to go down here. It's like a 10-point scalp. So there's the free money. Okay. So now we'll just watch for the reaction. I think we're probably going to go lower because I feel like we would have bounced if we were bullish. I thought we were supposed to take no trades if the 2 minute didn't hit. I'm just saying, like if you're short biased, like that was a good chase. It's not a trade I'll take, but I'm up 4R on the week. Like I might be done for the week, bro. I went really heavy in that trade on Monday, so unless we get something really light bulb, I'm not taking anything. Unless it's on my like Apex accounts. All right, maybe another 2 minute here, possibly. Why is it called the Lewis low? Because it is a low that's not a swing low, that's a data low. A data low is a swing low, but this was not a swing low. So, okay, maybe we'll get like a 1/2 minute long here now. We have like a giant trend line here, so we could just end up running this whole thing, to be honest. Have I ever considered using Bookmap? Nah, dude. Do obvious questions exhaust me? Bro, yeah, I'm already mentally logged out, bro. All right, so just because it's a reaction, I'm guessing we're gonna run this whole trendline liquidity, and then the next spot we'd be looking for longs would be down here, the sell side. But yeah, we should go hit this level now. Oh shit, my camera just died. That's great. For everyone on the TikTok stream, I am going to end it because I'm not going to take any trades. Thanks for joining. And if you want to keep watching me, go join my YouTube. Goodbye. All right, just have to end that. Sorry, I got to change my camera real quick. My camera just died. There we go. All right, we should just run this low, guys. And then once we hit this low, that's like the next spot we would look for longs. We should just gun right through this. A little more. What's my live broker? I use Ninja. Okay, there's sell side. All right. So we just gun right to it. Now we'll just watch the reaction here. Yeah, my bias was way wrong today, but thankfully, does it matter that my bias was wrong today? Like, did we get any setups? No, we didn't. So it's like not like we lost, you know. But yeah, my bias was way wrong. I even in hindsight, I never would have been bearish. Never. I mean, we left vertical highs. We'll probably go for these at some point. So I'll just catch a bigger winning trade. Whatever. If we get a long from down here, bro, I'm gonna be holding that shit for a while. So. We got a countless amount of setups. We got like 0 setups, bro. There was like no fair value gaps forming. Okay, let's see if we get a long setup here. We could get like a 3-minute here. I wouldn't mind that. Like this looks good here. If we do go long here, would you enter? Nah, I'm done for the day, bro. I wanted to play the first 30 minutes and we just didn't get any. So I already logged off all my accounts. It's gonna be no trade day for me. Why not bearish if it didn't take the highs? I don't know, dude. I listen, I never would have been bearish today. Like even in hindsight, like I did nothing wrong. I'm just following my rules. We had equal highs up here. I'm not shorting with equal highs. It's that simple. I mean, it's just following, it's not really an opinion. It's just me following my rules based off statistics I've seen. So there is plenty of setups today. Okay, show me where all the setups were in Q Will. We got 0 A+ setups today. There wasn't even any A+ short setups. Unless you just blindly shorted. Yeah, I like mine, guys, unfortunately. Dude, it's just random dumbass on my Discord. Check 1 minute. Nah, I'm not going to the 1 minute right now, guys. I would need to see a full-on V-shape, giant, instantaneous momentum candle if we want to even think about longing this. 1 minute's too small for how big of this dump is. If you ever see us dump like on like the 15-minute or the hourly, like clearly this is an hourly dump, I'm not gonna look for a 1 minute play off this. I'm gonna look for like a 3 or 5 minute. So yeah, there's literally 0 setups today, bro. Besides like 2022 model. Yeah, I stream every day in Discord. What's ICT saying on his stream? Like what's Blake saying? Like what are the other traders saying right now? Did Blake take any trades? Or did PJ? Blake no trades? Yeah, I figured. Blake said this is trash. Yeah, I agree. Did ICT call out anything? No, the Discord streams are not free. What did I think of the 30-second to Lewis low? It wasn't bad. What is my win rate / RR and trade frequency? I mean, I usually call out a trade every day. We just didn't get any trades today, so we didn't get any good inversions. Not really much I can do. A rejection block is just a high that takes in another high inside of for a value gap. So Joni, I would have never. That was a horrible entry, bro. You're saying you would have like I don't enter that, bro. We literally left perfect equal highs to the exact cent at this level. I never would have shorted that ever. I'm telling you, you short that 10 times, you're losing 7 out of 10 times. Today just was the 30% time it won. Like, it's statistics. Every single time I have this data, bro. I backtested for years. I have thousands of hours backtesting. I've never take that. I trust my statistics rather than what you'd be like, oh, you should have shorted, bro. It's like a 30% chance it works. It just happened to work today, so. All right, we're clearly not getting any reversals here, guys. No reversals, no V shapes, no nothing. So no longs, sadly. At what time do you close your charts and strictly say no? I already logged off 20 minutes ago. I logged off all my accounts 20 minutes ago when I didn't get the long where I wanted. So I'm already done. Yeah, at least I mean, bro, even though I had the wrong bias, I didn't take any losses. So, I mean, I'm already up like 4 on the week, so I can end the week now and be good. Do I think it's a good rule to only take singular fair value gaps? I mean, I take series if I'm really confident in drawing liquidity. So. No setups today. Yes, sir. No setups today. We're probably just going to keep dumping, bro. This is so annoying. We should dump to the sell side here. It's like a low inside of fair value gap to the left. Okay, there that is. The only thing left I'd have in my chart is I'd probably draw this fair value gap right here. And then if we close below that, then I'd expect this to happen. Maybe. Bro, Joni, there are not plenty of shorts, bro. Price action was terrible. We are forming no gaps. The way you trade is very different than how we trade. And, like, I get you're trying to contribute, but, bro, like, Joni, what's your win rate, Joni? You said you just blew your accounts last night in chat. Like you can't be telling me, oh yeah, shorts are so free when you blew your account last night. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not trying to be rude, but there's literally no gaps that open. Nothing to short unless you literally just shorted the trend, literally. We have a 30-second here, but like, it's like an eval play. I mean, sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. I'll tape read it. Yeah, horrible ass closed. Don't take that. Yo, should we go raid Blake's stream just for fun? Because I'm not gonna take any other trades, bro. I'm gonna wait for tomorrow. All right, guys, we're gonna go raid Blake's stream for fun. I'm gonna at exactly 10:25. We're gonna say Dodgy raid. Not yet, not yet. Let's see here. All right, exactly 10:25 a.m. Everyone just say Dodgy raid. All right. Dude, not yet. 10:25. I said 10:25. Exactly when I turn 10:25. Well, I'll just be like, yo, Dodgy raid or some shit. I always close the chart at 11. Just go and kick.com. All right, ready? 10:20. The second it turns 10:25. I'm gonna make a. Not yet. It's not 10:25. God damn. All right, guys. No trades today. Today was trash. We literally just dumped. Got 0 entries, like 0 fair value gaps. So we're gonna now raid Blake's stream because I'm bored. We're on here with Blake. 10:25. All right. All right, everyone spam that shit. Everyone leave a like. Follow. Yes, sir. Dude, imagine we said Patrick Whelan raid. Dude, some people are like, F off. This is what we do when you have no trades. We just raid people. All right. GG's. Yeah, guys, so this is the price action. I was looking for like a couple different things. I was looking for maybe a 2-minute long like here, and then we just never got it. So I was looking for that, and then I was looking for a long down here. We just never inverse anything. So yeah, no trades. I don't even know what to say. Trash ass day. Come back tomorrow, and yeah, GG's. Trades today. No trades today. Guys, no trades today. All right, should I do another giveaway before I get off here? Who wants another giveaway? All right, I'm gonna do one more Lucid and then one more Apex giveaway. Which should... All right, dude, what can I do for a giveaway? All right, I guess for a giveaway, just like go like my Instagram post I'm about to upload. No trades today. Today was trash. We literally just I don't even know what else to do. So we're gonna now raid Blake's stream because I'm bored. We're on here with Blake, 10:25. All right. All right, everyone's spinning that shit. Everyone leave a like, follow. Yes, sir. Hey, one second, guys. Yeah, guys, so this is the price action. I was looking for like a couple different things. I was looking for maybe a 2-minute long, like here, and then we just never got it. So I was looking for that, and then I was looking for a long down here. We just never inversed anything. So yeah, no trades. I don't even know what to say. Trash ass day. Come back tomorrow, and yeah, GG's. All right, I'm about to post an Instagram post. I guess we'll just do like a... If you like it, I'll just pick a random person. Oh, what's up, ICT? ICT's in my stream. What the hell? What the hell is going on here? Dude, Michael, I was completely wrong about the bias today, but I didn't take any trades, so we're chilling. But fun day for sure. So yeah, I guess we're leaving this liquidity up here, guys. I mean, I'll probably have this noted for tomorrow, maybe CPI. I'm surprised we did not run that buy side. And yeah, so maybe we'll go like this or something. But yeah, no trades for me. Preserve capital. When I'm wrong about my bias, I don't take any trades, and we didn't even get any inversions anyway, so. Clean action is back. I completely agree. Price action has been absolutely amazing. Especially with all these good moves now in New York, but I don't like January. For anyone who doesn't know, if you've been watching ICT for years, he typically comes back about February 14th. If you don't know that, then go watch the 2022 mentorship or go read his tweets. He came back a little early this year, so maybe that's a good sign for price action. So, I'm nervous? No, I'm not nervous, bro. All right, I'm gonna post the thing on Instagram, and then we'll give away an Apex account and a Lucid account. But yeah. Oh, by the way, I want to point your guys' attention to this. We have this 5-minute gap to the left, right, from 9:35 Monday the 9th. Okay. Obviously, it's very far away. All right, but it still doesn't matter. What do you guys notice that's happening to this gap right now. What's very important? The bodies are holding it absolutely perfectly, okay? Pretty algorithmic. And it's a gap from very far away, and people are like, oh, this gap doesn't matter, okay? But look at how bodies are holding this. So this is going to be very important to mark and note. If we break it, if we close below this, we'll probably go to the sell side. But if we hold this, we could end up getting along here, which I will not be participating in because I'm going to wait for tomorrow's session. So, all right, I'm about to post the Instagram post. Give me one second. Yo, Michael, is what was I gonna ask you? I was gonna ask you a question in Twitter Spaces yesterday, but I think you were AFK. Shoot, I forgot. I'll think of it. All right, guys, get ready to. I'm gonna post it. Pretty algorithmic reaction here. Guys, no. UICT, I can feel your aura. Dude, ICT has a million aura. In the terms of mindset going into today, could you make a case for a short bias since we took previous day high? Here's the thing. Yes, you can always make a case for any bias, bro. But listen, I would never short I would never short this, bro. I don't care. I would never short this. From how price looked here, I would have looked for long, and we never got any, and I didn't do anything. Literally it. Was my model there? Did my model present itself this morning to the upside and we get an inversion off of this discount zone and this inversion to the left? No, we did not. So I don't take a trade, man. Like, I know a lot of people are like, oh, you didn't take a trade and they hate me, but like, dude, it's just how trading is. Sometimes it's going to happen. I was completely wrong. Now, in hindsight, was this, clear 3 drives pattern? Of course, you could have made a case for short bias there. But we closed above this last hourly inversion here. We had just cleared momentum there. We did fail to form the 4-hour order block, which is not great. But I mean, bro, this is such obvious buy side here. It's a high inside of a fair value gap. A lot of stop losses at this high. So I trusted myself. Didn't get any models, and that's what happened. So be it. Just come back tomorrow. So. Even in hindsight, I don't think it looked good, bro. Even in hindsight, it's like, okay, whatever. It didn't make sense to short. And even in hindsight, it didn't make sense to short. So I'm not mad. Besides having a good week, why else would you stay out of longs if presented since PA is better now? Because we just dumped 1 million points. I'd want to see a lot more price. I would wait for lunchtime to trade this again. So, dude, I wouldn't take this 3-minute. We just dumped 100 million points. I would wait for some sort of manipulation. I'd log off here. Come back tomorrow. This is where you want to use a skip button. All right. Skip button to the next session. Now I'm going to post Instagram now. All right, guys. Well, we got Any tips for FOMO? Why are you getting FOMO? All right, I'm gonna post it now. All right, ready? Yeah, I'll do a trade recap video. Yeah, I'm gonna make a trade. Do you guys want to watch me do my trade recap? Actually, no, I'll just post it on my channel. By the way, like on the bright side today, guys, we're still like I'm still up about like obviously I'm still up from the NFP passing stream. I don't know if I'm allowed to show this, but can I show this? So I just got the top sub accounts, obviously. Okay, I think I'm gonna show this. I'm still up 1,300 per account. We're about to get funded on the top sub accounts and the 5XFAs. So it was still a W day for me. I mean, I'm still happy. Obviously, I didn't take any other trades, but yeah, I'm still up. We on the bright side, we passed some evals this morning. We passed some fundeds, hopefully. And yeah, I mean, yeah, it's gonna be comment and like. Just give me a second. All right, guys. Well, we got ICT watching my stream today. He said clean action is back. No trades. All right, guys. No trades. Really just dumped, guys. Dumped, guys. Zero entry. Really just dumped, guys. Zero entries, like zero for value gaps. So we're gonna. I'm gonna post now. Just wait. So we're gonna now rate Blake's stream because I'm bored. We're on here with Blake. Bored. We're on here with Blake. 10:25. All right. All right, everyone's fan that shit. Everyone. Watch the 2022 mentorship and watch the 2016 core content in ICT. Yes, sir. Yeah, guys. So this is the price action. Here, reach no rumors or anything. So yeah, no trades. I don't even know what to say. Trash ass day. Come back tomorrow, and yeah. All right, I'm gonna post it. Dude, yes, there's a 3-minute long, but like, bro, like, it's like, I don't know. You can take it if you guys want. It's up to you. Maybe go for like a 1 hour. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. What do I do evening of 5 p.m. to 6 p.m.? I usually play pickleball or go to dinner. All right, if I pick you, by the way, for the giveaway and you're not subscribed, then you can't win the accounts. Did I not catch the short? Nah, bro. Did not catch the short, sadly. I didn't see my model present itself. All right, I'm posting it now on Instagram. All right, guys. Well, we got ICT 1. All right, ready? So it's gonna be like a 5-minute thing. I'm gonna pick a random winner in like 5 minutes. Okay, it is uploading now. Are you ready? I know, I edited it. All right, it's uploading, it says. It's going to be one Apex and one Lucid. All you have to do is like and comment something on my Instagram post I'm uploading right now. Yeah, okay, it's processing. It's processing. Just wait. But actually watch the video. Like, don't just like and comment, then click off it. How do you feel about Clav frame mog? I mean, I mog Clav. And I mogged the ASU guy, the frat leader ASU. All right, it just posted. My post just posted. Dude, yes I do. I clearly mog Clav. It just posted, guys. It just posted. Okay, I'm gonna in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna pick a random person to like the Instagram, and then I'm gonna do it. Dude, yeah, I know I mog Clav, bro. Look at this. Dude, look. I mog him, bro. I mog him in looks and IPGs. Here's the thing. Look at this play. Let's say, okay, listen, let's say we just took this 3-minute long. All right. Theoretically, let's say just took this 3-minute long. Does this look like we could have gotten 1R in hindsight? Like, does it technically look like, oh, we kind of, maybe we would have made money off this? Like, now, like, does it look like it? Like, just from glancing at it right now? Yes or no? Listen, like, I don't have any FOMO because here's why. Let's say we entered this 3-minute, right? We entered here. Okay, we all probably would have gotten filled, like right here. Let's be honest. We probably would not have gotten a candle fill in the candle. We would have had to deal with this giant ass candle down. We dropped 40 points in the same trade. And then we wicked back up. And then price went up again, like 30 points, and then just wicked down all the way to where we probably would have gone fill and then probably would have gotten stop this out of break even. Do you guys see why I don't have FOMO from like taking something like this? It's like, bro, does that make sense? Type 1, if that makes sense. Like, I'm glad I just didn't take that. That would have been like that would have been an emotional hold, And like, that's just what price does after you make a big move. Dude, I did post. Go on my Instagram. I'm gonna pick a winner right now. ICT watching my stream today. He said clean action is back. No trades. They just dumped. Got 0 entries, like 0 for value gaps. So we're gonna. All right, ready? I'm gonna pick 2 winners right now. Ready? And then I'm gonna probably get off after this. All right. What activities would you do outside of trading? Golf. All right, ready? We're gonna go to the likes, and I'm gonna make sure they commented too. Ready? When am I selling merch? Probably not for a while. All right, ready? Okay. All right. First winner is Harry Papa Johnny. Okay. Second winner will be. Oh wait, let me make sure he commented. Okay, he did. All right, ready? Ready? All right, and then Veni Lapinemi. What the hell? Veni Lapinemi. What am I even saying right now, bro? Why did I just get the two most random ass names I've ever read in my life? Bro. All right, that's gonna be it. Should we do one more? One more? Should I pick one more random person? All right, I'll do one more. I'll do one more. All right. We're gonna pick one more. All right, ready? Actually, wait, no, we're doing one more. If you go like my TikTok, you gotta go like the TikTok. We'll do TikTok this time. All right, you must like and comment on the TikTok if you want the account. I mean, hey, if you don't want the account, then don't like my TikTok. I don't care. I don't know what else to do. How else am I supposed to do an organized giveaway? Have you guys all spam one like 50 times? That never works. I have to just... I don't know what else to do. Oh, and then pre and unedited DM me because you commented first. This is fun. I like doing this. Dude, we should do a Kahoot. Should we do a Kahoot? Bro, low key, I'm so down to do a Kahoot after this. All right, bet. All right, go like and comment my TikTok. Then we're gonna do a Kahoot. We'll get education with it. Let me log in. Dude, what the hell is this price action, bro? All right, we're gonna pick a random person from TikTok. All right, we're gonna do one more. This time I'm gonna pick a comment and make sure they liked it. All right, ready? All right, chance. Trades with chance. You win. Okay, let's do a Kahoot now. We just did 4. PB's trying to short if price inverse of the 5-minute. Oh, hell no. I would never short this, though. All right, let's do Kahoot. I'm going to sign in. Maybe the winner of the Kahoot will get an account, too. We'll do that. How about so we'll do 5 total giveaways. All right, ready? We're doing a Kahoot. All right. Get some more education here. All right. The game pin will be 540-3534. Let's get it. Everyone join. Yeah, winner of the Kahoot will get a free account too. Why not? Be honest. Would you guys be scared? 5. Do I trade PM session? Nah. Everyone join. Is ICT on the Kahoot? No, that'd be funny as hell though. This server's gonna glitch? Nah. Look at the chart, bro. I'm done, man. There's nothing to look at. The only thing I can see playing out, if we get this 15-minute long, I might try longs and options. That's it. I don't know, man. I want to be done. All you have to do is go to kahoot.it right here, and then you join. All right, I'm starting in 2 minutes. How do you message you if you win the giveaway? Discord. Well, that's the name of Instagram. All right, ready? Let's start. I'm starting it. See, there's still so many people joining. This is going to be very educational, right? All right, I'm starting. Yeah, I made these all myself. All right, ready? What would you rate this setup? A plus, A minus, 40-point stop loss. I'd only use it for bias, or B. Yo, it's good stuff. How's it going? Oh, shoot. All right, 40-point stop loss. I'd only use that for bias. I'm going to turn off this image real quick. All right. By the way, whoever got 1,000 points is a cheater. So you're not winning. The two people with 1,000 points are cheaters. All right, so I would use this for bias. We've already dumped too far. It's not V-shape. You know, it's pretty big zone. So I'd only use this for bias pretty much. You know, maybe like an options play. But typically speaking, I look for like confirmation setups within this setup, basically. So, yeah. Does that make type 1? If that makes sense, everyone? It's just like a giant zone where it's like, okay, it's giant enough to where I can see it, right? If we close above it, we'll likely go higher. But it's like, it wasn't V-shaped. You know, the setup I would have taken was down here, this 1 minute, you know. So. All right, ready? All right, next question. Quiz. If I see a short setup here, would I take it? Yes, looks textbook. If it was A+, sure. No, way too low. Why would I short a BPR? Who cares if it works? Or why would I short inside a BPR? Absolutely not. J Powell got killed by an alien attack. Let's see, let's see. No, way too low, and I'm not shorting a BPR. Ain't no, I don't care if it works. All right, 191, got it right. Nope, let's go. I don't care if it, I'm not shorting a BPR. I don't care what anyone says. Okay, mate, maybe we don't have cheaters. All right, maybe not. We'll see, we'll see. Okay. Definitely not. Never good to short this low, especially inside of BPR. Obviously, like, we end up dumping through it, but this is just horrible price action. All right. All right. This fair value gap will likely inverse. True or false? Quiz. If I see a short way too low, why would I short a BPR? Who cares if it works? Or why would I short inside a BPR? Absolutely not. J Powell got killed by an alien attack. Alright. 191, got it right. Nope. Let's go. Alright, true. It's true because we already put in an order block. We are already, you know, delivering from a very low area. And if you know anything about ICT, then you should understand that, once we get this formation, this order block formation, delivery out this gap here, then we should likely go higher, especially with these relative equal highs, even without this inverse. Okay? Does that make sense? Everyone leave a thumbs up. So, yeah, okay. So it's just kind of like understanding ICT and not just the IPGs in general, right? It's good to know, like, we have an order block here. It formed an order block. We're looking for higher prices with the liquidity and, how this formed, all right? And the delivery out this gap. Okay. The game pin is right here. I'll put the code in chat. All right. CPI is tomorrow and it's currently 2 p.m. Eastern. Do I trade? Yes, should be textbook PA. No, don't trade afternoon before CPI. Very hit or miss. No, price action is horrible. Yes, especially if you see an A+. Yeah, I usually do these in my Discord time to time. No, do not trade afternoon before CPI. Very hit or miss. Now, of course, if there's a very A+++ setup and you want to take an eval trade, sure. But like generally speaking, you should stay away from those days. All right. Yeah, you have to use my screen, Suga Tubos, to see the questions. I'll try to trade tomorrow morning if we get a setup, man. If very hit or miss, I don't recommend ever trading it, only the morning session. All right. Is this a good short entry? Yes, go full size. No, but we'll look for confirmation setup and use for bias because there's too many fair value gaps. Yes, it has a 100% win rate. Or no, we just dump so fast it does not make sense to short. I'm a Sasabaka. I know. All right. No, but we'll look for confirmation setup if we get it. No, we just dump too fast, so it does not make sense to short. It makes no sense. If we dump fast and we have speed and momentum, we'll probably keep going down, especially after we inverse the gap. Like, like especially if you remember that screenshot, if we go back, like we dump so fast and we're probably gonna go lower because we inversed everything, right? So yeah, see, like we had the inverse here. We're at least going to the sell side. So like the short does make sense. It's just like too big to use to short the actual zone because the stop loss is huge. Hey, what's up, Nick? How's it going? I'm gonna make you a mod. So yeah. All right, next one. There's PMI at 10 o'clock. It's 8:55, and I see a good setup. Is it worth taking? It depends on your circumstance. No, JPOW speaking. Yes, should work. No, never trade before JPOW. All right, it depends on your circumstance, honestly. Like, you know, some people would, some people wouldn't. You know, I probably would, but you know, some people just don't. So it definitely depends. Um, you know, if there's a data low and it was a perfect A plus IFG, then I probably would take it because news at 10 a.m. It's like it's too far away for me to care about at that point. Would you guys agree? If it's like 9:55 and there's news at 10, well then no, I'm not gonna take the setup. But like it just depends, you know. Like if it's 8:55, it's perfect, and there's data lows. Of course, I'll take it, you know. So and no, never trade before JPOW doesn't even make sense because I said the news is PMI. So all right, let's keep going. Honestly, depends on your circumstance. If it's A plus, I would try it. JPOW speaking in the morning does not matter too much. And again, it was PMI. I tricked you guys. Yeah, treat it like it's 2 sessions. There's like an 8:50, 9:50. There's like a pre-market session before the market opens, and then there's like the 9:30 to 10:30 session, basically. Exactly, Nick. We just hit a major buy side and major higher time frame beat PR. What should I target in this situation? Low of day, 50% retracement and internal low if it's 10 points. Target until we get a good long setup or COVID lows. So look at this price action, take a good look, and where do you think a smart target for the type of price action we're seeing here is? COVID lows. $50 retracement and an eternal low, maybe if it's 10 points, okay? So, what's the reason behind that? Well, let me tell you, all right? Clearly, higher time frame was very bullish here. We pumped on morning. It looked like we had a lot of gaps over here. So, like, you know, essentially speaking, you know, we're definitely bullish here, right? It seems like the bias is bullish, and it seems like this is just going to be a pullback. You know, maybe we go lower, maybe we don't. But, like, based off this price action here, it just looks like this would be the smartest target in case we bounce and in case we're still bullish. So I wonder if that makes sense. Okay. Okay. Good. All right. Why is it always a good idea to skip an A+ setup if you've already taken a major win? Take it anyways, you'll be rich because it will likely fail. Resetting mind and enjoying day will help you in the long run. This is bad advice. Keep trading. What do we think? Remember why you trade, exactly. All right, resetting mind and enjoying day will help you in the long run. All right. Let's see who's on top. Oh, the cheater's on top. I'm just kidding. This was the 10 o'clock news candle. Is this a data low? Yes, and it should be hit. No, because it's not a swing low. No, because it's no normal wick. Yes, it is a clean body. Okay, no, because it's not a normal wick. Okay. Now, if you said no because it's not a swing low, it was a good answer, but the abnormal wick is more what I care about. Okay. So, again, if you guys don't know this, I had a 4.0 GPA my whole college, in my high school, and I took AP English. And in AP English, if you've ever taken AP English, you know that how hard the multiple choice questions are. There's always like 2 answers that could be right, but there's always one more right answer. And it's hard as fuck to figure it out. So, again, I did a challenging question. This is not supposed to be easy. Yes, because it's not swing low, but the abnormal wick is like what makes a one-setter for life a one-setter for life. I want to see a giant wick, okay? So that is the important part about the one-setter for life, having that giant wick, okay? So that is the best answer. Yes, this was right, but this is the best answer, right? All right. It has to be a normal wick like this, exactly. Okay, what is an intermediate term high? Last question. A swing high, a high formed inside of a rally gap, a high of day, or a high formed at 9:30 a.m. What is it, Nick? It is a high formed inside a fair value gap. Let's go. It's one of my favorite draws in liquidity. Let's see who won and if I trust that they won. I'm shaking. Jet trades. Austin. All right. Austin wins, and I trust Austin because I actually met Austin in person. He got a $70,000 payout or $235,000 payout. Flew down to Miami to say what's up. I took him out to dinner, and he's one of my most successful students. Well, maybe, I don't know, maybe like top 20, but I have a lot of successful students. So W Austin and DM me. And I do believe him because he got 9 out of 10. I feel like maybe this guy was on YouTube, off YouTube, but people in my Discord premium definitely had the advantage. Did you guys enjoy that? Who enjoyed that? as well. We got ICT watching my stream today. He said clean action is back. No trades. All right. I'm gonna do an outro song now. Can I play copyrighted music on YouTube? Will they let me do that? I don't think they'll let me do that, right? Okay, wait. Actually, yeah. One more giveaway. If you guys are in my Twitter community, okay, my Twitter Dodgy's IPG Dungeon, I'm gonna pick one person to introduce themselves in the community, and I'll do one more giveaway account, a Lucid 50K Flex. Damn, today was trash, bro. So yeah, just go introduce yourselves. All right, everyone on YouTube, I'll see you later, and peace.